Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming to you guys with an unboxing. Ta-da! This particular item I actually purchased off Bergdorfgoodman.com. I've been eyeing this particular item for at least about a month, probably maybe even a month and a half. So this will be like my first luxury buy for real. Love the box that it comes in, by the way. This yellow is everything. Y'all know me, I keep the boxes for display. And when we jump in, this is how everything comes packaged. So if you're curious about what's in here, we have what I would imagine is like extra laces, care instructions, and then 2 dust bags. And multiple languages, no less. We go further down into the box, we have our 2 Fendi Roma dust bags. Probably transfer the items to once I finish this unboxing, but there it is, y'all. Ah. All right, and these are the Fendi, I believe they're called the Ffreedom sneakers. But yeah, they're all white sneakers, and if we get close in on them, they are embossed with Fendi logos all over. All right, and I just thought this was so fresh and so fly. And I know there's a part of me that's like, yeah, it's not that practical, but I really wanted a pair of white sneakers, and I was like, yeah, I could get high top Air Force Ones, or I could like go for a little mini flex and get these. And I think that they are so beautiful. Like, I have a narrow foot, a bigger foot, but a narrow foot. I'm about a 9.5, and I'm just like, these are gonna look so good on my feet. They come nicely wrapped up. Thank God I don't think these were tried on at all. They just look so clean. The leather's a white Napa leather, so I'm gonna try and probably get some sort of a Scotch guard or something that I can put on here. And it does look like the laces will probably be easy to clean, and it's nice that they come with an extra pair. But if you're curious about how they look on the feet, I'll go ahead and slip them on. Like I said, this is more of just like a show and tell than anything else. I don't really have anywhere to go. They're gonna be rolling back phases here in Washington soon. So there's no telling, I might not even be able to take these out on the street, because I had plans to maybe go to a restaurant or something. Child, I don't know. And I would, should I lace them all the way up? Yeah, I'm gonna lace them all the way up. All right, so I have them on, and they're just so beautiful. Oh. Yo, like they're a flex. I'm sorry, like these are so fly to me. I'm sorry, like I'm living. Let me get y'all up close on them. All right, here they are up close, like, yo. And I know everybody won't be able to appreciate this, but I just think that these are such a nice, subtle flex, you know? I'm gonna give y'all the roundabout, okay? Like, love. So I know these sneakers are for everybody, but when I tell you I saw them and immediately gravitated to them, and I'll probably wear them through the fall on the dry days, I'm gonna get my cost per wear out of them. Speaking of cost per wear and how much these cost, they were originally $850. When people shop for luxury and they're not like upper class, people immediately go, shouldn't you be spending your money on other stuff? And it's like, I'm somebody who like doesn't really drink. I don't smoke. I don't have any of those like other vices. For me, like retail therapy and shopping has always kind of been that thing that I have enjoyed. I'm just recently got into luxury, and I'm slowly getting all these things for my luxury capsule collection here soon. So this is like one piece in that. There are these certain staple pieces that I've kind of been eyeing, and this is one of those things that's like on the list, was a pair of white tennis shoes that I feel like will really be versatile. Like I could see these with dresses, I could see these with leggings, I could see these with shorts. And I also waited for this item to go on sale. It ended up being about $460 with tax, because this was 40% off. I couldn't justify to myself paying $850 for these, because it would have been what, almost $900. Taxes about 10.2% depending on where you live. You can definitely see the craftsmanship on these. You know, you get sneakers from like Nike and immediately you pull it out of the box and you see like glue stains and things like that. But just looking at these up close, you know what I mean? The stitching is perfect. The craftsmanship, there's no frayed edges. You know what I mean? Like, I just did that Versace unboxing and immediately I saw like frayed edges on the underwear and things like that. Things that really have you questioning the craftsmanship. But if you really get up on these, like, the craftsmanship is seamless. There's no glue. There's no loose ends. Like, these are beautiful, you know? And again, you know, some people like video games. Some people like, you know, nice cars. For me, getting into luxury, buying myself nice things is just another form of self-love. And I love the fact that as a single black woman, I can do these things for myself. Like, a man didn't have to do this for me. I didn't have to wait on a special occasion. I didn't have to wait for my tax return. Like, I just love that I can do that for myself. And it also just, you know, inspires me to keep going and elevating. So, you know, luxury shoes aren't for everybody. I completely understand that, but I had to have these. And yeah, if you're curious, I got them from Bergdorf Goodman. So yeah, to pivot, my shopping experience wasn't very ideal with Bergdorf Goodman. They actually do have a lot of really awesome deals going on right now. They're having an up to 75% off designer sale. And there were some other things that I was considering getting, but considering that this item was about what, between $460 and $470, I didn't appreciate the fact that shipping took so long. I actually ordered this item, I want to say early last week. And keep in mind, I'd also ordered from ASOS, what was it, like 2 days ago? I got that order in 2 days. And then this order from Fendi, well, one, I thought that I maybe had missed out on the shoes. Like I said, I got a 9.5, a 39.5. And I want to say it was maybe one of the last two that Bergdorf had at that price. Now when you go on Bergdorf, I think they only have like size 5 to 6.5, and it's actually selling at $340. So if you like them and you have a small foot, girl, get it while the getting's good. But to the point, I'd ordered these from Bergdorf. They'd taken the money out last week. Then they put the money back in around like Thursday, and I'm like, oh, maybe they're giving me my money back because they sold out. A day or two after that, like I guess Monday, I got a notification that they were shipping, and it was fine because, like I said, I was still like kind of hoping like maybe, this is just, maybe it'll come through. And thankfully they came through, and I'm so happy with them. But I just didn't like the fact that shipping was like almost 2 weeks. Like, you would expect, especially coming from a boutique department store, that they would do really fast shipping. And you order from like Saks, Neiman's, these other places, it'll be like 2 to 4 day shipping. I do think that Bergdorf has 2-day shipping. I'm not exactly sure if it's something you have to pay extra for, but when you pay almost $500, I just assume that they rush your stuff out to you. The box that my item actually came in was partially crushed, and it kind of had me on edge. You know, like, I even unboxed this. That's why it's not like in its shipping box anymore. I unboxed it, I got it sent to my P.O. box. I unboxed it there because I was just like, oh man, I'm going to be so upset if the Fendi box is crushed. Thankfully it wasn't, but like, there was no care, with this item. And I know that there are shoes, but I just go, when you spend that much money, presentation matters. So I'm happy with them. They're perfect. I love them. This white kind of mid-top style is something that I'm very familiar with. I actually have these Jordans, and I've had these for a couple years now. Like I said, I've pounded the pavement with these more than a time or two. This is the Air Jordan 1 mid. If you want something a little lower end that's kind of reminiscent, this is the Air Jordan 1 mid, the white and metallic silver. These retail for $110. So if you want a cheaper alternative to that Fendi, I highly suggest these. I got these in a men's size 8. Yeah, if you like this unboxing, let me know by leaving a like and a comment. Let me know if you're a fan of white tennies. What, if any, designer sneakers you have or designer shoes you have that are worth a pickup. I know a lot of people love the Gucci sneaker. This really just spoke to me. It really said, Donnie, buy me. You need me. I'll look so good on you. So yeah, till later. Peace.